Yo, so if you clicked on this video, you want the best DEEPWOKEN depth skanking TRACKSTAR bird. This build has it all. The build that runs the depths of 2026. This build has a combination of flame and gale to get insane damage whilst having a side of bloodrend, and for like the extra birding potential and capabilities. And yeah, let's just get in the video. Get into the damage. Firstly, I just want to say that you're meant to be running as Zero Flames. I kind of messed up the build when I shined down Flame Charm after getting this. I put it back into Flame Charm instead of Willpower. That's on me, but yes, moving through damage. So M1 we're doing about 33. Not bad. I don't have max stars, and then it's like that. So as we can see, insane damage. Wipe your enemies in 3 seconds. We get dust ones as well for extra 10. And yeah, I'll just do a damage showcase.
Is it a bar and a half? Oh, right. Oh, no, not a bar. I am a bar and a half.
So yeah, this is the mobility. I low-key could have used like Shaba to go like way further, but I can't be us, so it's like redoing it. It has like pretty decent birding, or like and track starring if you're trying to like run away or something, or like save your homeboys. And yeah. Tell me what you waiting for. No sorry, we need each other. No sorry, we need each other. Tell me what you waiting for. Tell me what you waiting for. No sorry, we need each other. No sorry, we need each other. I heard these little things up in my brain. I need some help with.